when earthquakes strike, shaping resilience and sustainability in urban cities. Imagine this: an earthquake measuring over 7.0 on the Richter scale strikes at rush hour in a city of millions. Buildings crumble, roads split open, and thousands are displaced within minutes. Could your city withstand such devastation? And if it happened, how would recovery efforts ensure both resilience and sustainability? An earthquake of this magnitude is not just a catastrophe, it's a wake-up call for disaster planners and urban developers. The strain will extend far beyond the immediate destruction, rippling into environmental, economic, and societal challenges. Understanding these effects is essential for better preparation. In a densely populated city, the destruction isn't limited to infrastructure. Toxic debris contaminates air and water supplies, while displaced populations struggle to access safe shelters and resources. The environmental toll escalates when damaged systems leak pollutants into fragile ecosystems. Massive energy demands for immediate recovery can perpetuate carbon emissions, undermining local sustainability goals. Meanwhile, the sheer volume of waste from collapsed buildings creates long-term management issues. A disaster of this size destroys more than lives; it risks the city's path toward green urban development. Earthquakes may be sudden, but resilience can be built over time. Disaster planners must ask: is the city's infrastructure earthquake-proof? Does the population have access to well-communicated emergency protocols? Are local recovery plans aligned with sustainable goals? Strong building codes, retrofitting older structures, and utilizing shock-resistant materials can dramatically reduce fatalities. Likewise, investing in public awareness campaigns can empower individuals to act swiftly when disaster strikes. Informed citizens save lives, making community engagement as critical as engineering advancements. Rebuilding after a major earthquake must not revert the city to pre-disaster vulnerabilities. Instead, it presents a crucial opportunity for sustainable innovation. Renewable energy sources, eco-friendly materials, and greener urban designs can ensure recovery aligns with environmental goals. For example, modular housing solutions using sustainable materials offer displaced populations both immediate shelter and long-term functionality. Additionally, integrating renewable systems during reconstruction can reduce future vulnerabilities, ensuring the city emerges stronger and more eco-conscious. To plan effectively, it's critical to adopt a proactive rather than reactive approach. Cities in earthquake-prone zones should invest in early warning systems and seismic activity monitoring. Preparedness exercises, evacuation drills, and community workshops can instill a culture of readiness long before disaster strikes. On a broader scale, incorporating disaster risk reduction into urban planning ensures cities aren't just reactive to earthquakes, they're fortified against them. Collaborative efforts between governments, engineers, environmental scientists, and urban planners are the key to a safer future. Disaster planners have a responsibility not just to react but to design cities that thrive despite the forces of nature. Start today by assessing vulnerabilities in your city's infrastructure, educating communities on emergency procedures, and integrating sustainable practices into every phase of urban planning. By taking these preemptive steps, we can mitigate destruction, protect the environment, and save lives. Together, let's build cities that are not only more resilient but also sustainable for generations to come. The future of disaster management starts now. Will you rise to the challenge?